Lionsgate has named Sony vet Matt Leonetti as president of physical production. He'll oversee all areas of physical production for the studio's feature film slate, including releases from its Lionsgate, Summit Entertainment as well as Pantelion, Codeblack, Roadside Attractions and Premiere brands. At Sony, Leonetti served as EVP, Physical Production under Andy Davis, where he oversaw production on such hits as Jumanji, Peter Rabbit, Venom, and the upcoming Charlie's Angels. Prior to Sony, Leonetti headed physical production at Good Universe, where he shepherded such movies as This Is the End, Neighbors, and Las Vegas. Before Good Universe, he was a freelance line producer for 8 years, handling titles like Lionsgate/Millenniums, The Expendables and The Mechanic. Matt is a respected and accomplished physical production executive with whom Eva had the pleasure of working on a number of exciting and successful films, said Kahane. With his strong track record, great talent relationships and tremendous expertise, he will be a key member of the leadership team moving our motion picture group forward in the years to come. I'm thrilled to join Joe, Nathan, and the rest of the Lionsgate motion picture team, said Leonetti. We have a great opportunity to bring an exciting, star-driven, story-driven slate of films to a global audience, and I can't wait to get started. Leonetti has a B degree from the University of Virginia and is a native of the Los Angeles area. Upcoming Lionsgate movies include The Hunter-Killer Tomorrow, Robin Hood, the third John Wick, Seth Rogen/Charlize Theron comedy Flarsky and Roland Emmerichs action drama Midway.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.